Lakeside Today is sponsored by Oral Design Cleveland. If you're having problems with your teeth, there are options to make your dream smile a reality. Here with some solutions to help keep your smile glowing is Dr. John Heimke from Oral Design Cleveland. Welcome.
Thank you, pleasure.
I love talking with you every time. You always have like the latest technology, so this is so cool. So what solutions are there for people with failing teeth or no teeth?
Right, well, unfortunately people lose their teeth or they have failing dentistry, and what can we do? Well, we can clean the slate and then we can put in implants, 4, 5, 6 implants. We call it all on X, and then we can give you teeth within 24 hours.
That's amazing, 24 hours when it used to take weeks and weeks. All right, I love talking technology with you because you always have the latest cutting edge stuff. How is your intraoral scanners and Grammetry technology affecting all of this now?
Well, this has been a real revolution in dentistry now. What we're able to do is we're able to scan the teeth, the current teeth with like a special camera, and we're able to use a 3D face scan. And then Grammetry, what it does is once the implants are in, we have to have a way that we can figure out where they're at. And this is called SmartX by Medit. And then the scan ladder system, where we scan those shapes, those geometric shapes on the implants. We take those out after we're done, and then we can make the teeth. And they're very aesthetic, they function well, and we're putting them in within about 24 hours total time frame from surgery. So they're 3D printed, and we're using AI technology. So these are amazing what they look like. You go from having teeth that are obviously not in great shape to having an unbelievable smile in about 24 hours.
That is fascinating. Look at that 3D image and seeing
we're going
inside.
from a 4-hour procedure now to something that's only about an hour and a half to 2 hours.
That is fantastic. All right, we have about a minute left. So what part of your oral design implant team, tell me a little bit about that helps with this.
The way this works is we have a whole team. So I'm the leader of the team because I design the smile in 2D. The laboratories then convert that into a 3D from my blueprint. And they use, again, we're using AI technology, 3D facial scans, Medit, intraoral scans, SmartX, and Grammetry, and we're putting it all together with layered technology, and we're creating this 3D smile or the teeth, and the teeth are screwed in. So basically the healing ones go in for 3 months, then at the end of that period I make a prototype, we work out all the details, and then we go to the finished zirconia, and then there you're back smiling and eating, hopefully for a long time to come.
Oh my
It's amazing.
Gosh. It's just fascinating.
Yeah, and the laboratory, we use Rowe Dental Lab here in Cleveland as one of the laboratory, and then Pinhas Adar in Atlanta, an oral design member also. He's one of the master technicians, so you really have me as oral design and Pinhas, and we get this fabulous smile built on implants. If you have to lose your teeth, you don't want to go to a denture and put them in a jar every night. Oh, no. What you want to do is screw retain implants.
All right, for more information, you can visit them at the location you see on your screen. You can call them at 888-255-3588 or go online to everyonelovesmysmile.com or dentalimplantsrockyriver.com. Yeah, we were too long. Sorry. We got to do it again.
Okay.